Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. Begin by going into Messages app and tapping on one of your tabs. Now select this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on the photos that you wish to add. You can also select folders instead. Hold one of your pictures over here and to add it, tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!